Ante, wag ka.
Thank you so much. Of course, that was a song that
Laklak po. 130 pa lang. Talo, 150 po. Dalawa.
We got Facebook pages. Trio, your memory, Mexican community service. This is for a total of 4 nights here at the Boardwalk Event Center. This is our, and as usual, of course, you don't need to bring anything with you except yourselves. You just simply indulge with different food, drinks. Also, those who are watching us live right now on our space. We are smack right in the middle of having this. It's not going to be possible without our sponsors. For the Holy Week of 2026, we got Freeport Mansion Garden Hotel, Civic Grand Harbor Hotel, Chris Bean School, Buena Casa Terrace, Extremely Expresso, Rally's Restaurant, Urban Deli, Princess Coffee Merchants, on which you can purchase all of your food and drinks here at the Boardwalk Event Center. You got
Ano pa, ma'am? Yun lang po. Pangalan, ma'am? Jen. 150 po.
Robert's Mexican Tacos and Authentic Sisi.
May, bali, apat na yun nandyan, no? May dalawang nauna yung kay Mami.
Gana de Cafe, House Cafe, Duco Grill, and Bang Chicken Merchants here at the Boardwalk Event Center. Again, those who are watching us live via Facebook, still have time to come on down here and join us. You don't need to bring anything else with you except yourselves. We have our food and drinks in here, on which you can purchase from all of our food stalls available right here at the Boardwalk Event Center. I'd like to invite our next band. Be ready. Coming up the stage, please. We got a couple of... And the official presentation, one of our DJs will be hosted by
Ano yung mix yung kanila? Mix seafood. Oh, sorry.
kahit na yun na muna mauna.
Isa lang po. Ano po ba? Meron, ma'am, Blue Marlin po. Andun. Ayun na. Be careful. May malaki po. Ante, wag ka. Asan yung pangtaas nito? Puros pang baba to. Asan ang mga pantaas?
Here within Civic Bay 347, we are implementing the no littering policy and the no littering band is up next. So may we call our Curly Tops band, please, up the stage, so we can begin with your first set for tonight. Curly Tops. We got Danny Giuliano is going to be heading, of course, to our music for 2 hours. For tonight, I do believe that we have like an acoustic trio, if memory serves me correctly. Again, all of our Facebook viewers, we got Facebook pages of SBA on the SBA Tourism Department. Fantastic Civic Bay with the letters FUN for the word fantastic. Also in there. And 3 more Facebook pages cross-posted. We are also live via our own 89.5-FM Civic per Dynamic. You will be penalized with 1,500 pesos for that. Or 4 hours of community service. We are definitely strictly implementing the no littering policy within Civic Bay Freeport Center. So please, clean as you go. We do have our huge trash receptacle, trash bins located along the stretch of waterfront road. So please use them, utilize them, and dispose of the garbage. Yes, our band is ready. Give them a few more. And we have our video cameras all sides on our Facebook page. Facebook page is without further ado, stay very cool. Just gonna have a chance for the microphone with an S2 trio this time. We're gonna have the band that goes by the name of Curly Tops.
Ano po, i-rush hour kami in-inform 4 o'clock. Wala pa kami dito kahapon. Kaya hindi po kami nakaprepare. Bukas na. Pwede nga mo bumabot po. Lain po. Nasa tapo siya. 150 po. Thank you po, sir. Baby back ribs po. Lechon belly. Fish fillet po with chicken. Sisig.
Chicharon bulaklak.
Chicharon bulaklak po.
Mga extra.
Bigyan mo. Ano po, madam?
Pero ako ma, may 400 ako. Yes, I do. Over here. Yes. Yes, yes.
Ayan po daw. Sige, ma, para.
Ano po? Lemon iced tea.
Pero masarap yung pineapple ko kasi may itutong pineapple.
Hindi may mood meeting. Mahirap.
O, yan na lang. Yung kanya lang daw. Tapos, ha? Tama.
Kung barbecue, ito gawin sa isang niya, barbecue. Ayan po.
Apo, ito po yung sa likod ko. Dito po. Mas malapit sa dito po tagtutupin. 400 na. Tatlong piraso na lang pinili.
Iuwi na lang.
3 for 100. Yan na lang. Inidit na natin ito mga
Sambal ba siya?
Ate, magkano dito?
3 for 100 po. Ayan po. 250 po. Dito po 400. 3 for 100. Fresh.
Dapat ate na.
Apat po natin. Ready na ba yan, te? Dalaga na, te. Alam naman niya. Itagal na.
Gusto ka? Ate, ano to, te?
Teka po. Opo. Apat sa'yo, ma'am na yan.
Isaw lang.
Ma'am, palagi ako dito, ma'am, pag may order ka po.
Yung chicken po, magkano?
150.
Dalawa.
Chicken.
Thank you po.
Mari, do you want chicken? This one is good. It has super soft.
Rice po, ma'am.
Aray.
4, 8. Ilang rice mo? Opo. Oh, habe.
7. 7 na rice.
Bali, 1,000. 1 to ma'am. Apo, meron. Oh, iba to.
Let's continue. Paging the owner of the vehicle, Yaris, Toyota Yaris with plate number AEA1. Your needed plates, move your vehicle. AEA6 red. Thank you.
Kuya, wala pang tulog yung isang mic.
Don't you
Yang soy yan ah. Ano to? Dalawang ano?
May kasama nga na po yung
dito guys. Try po natin lahat. Kaya tikman natin lahat yan mga iba-ibang variety.